My name is Loïcka Baille. I'm part of the biophysics lab, supervised by Daniel Zitterbart.
I'm by heart a physicist, by profession a nerd, and well, I love wildlife, so I try to combine the three. So in my lab we study penguins a lot.
Understanding their habitat, how they move, where they live, where they forage.
I would say I spend about 5 months per year in the field, still collecting the data, and that's the best part of the job.
And it's a great plus to get to go to Antarctica and cuddle with penguins. We cuddle only for science purposes.
We develop techniques and technology to study the health of ecosystems.
And penguins, they're a good indicator of the ecosystem health of Antarctica.
Mostly it's camera systems. It can be a drone. So using drones from boats for us is a remote sensing system.
And we usually take those little boats to go explore islands, to get really close to an island. They're just black, inflatable, very maneuverable. They go pretty fast.
Hi MIT, I'm Krit and I'm curious about drones. I've seen people flying drones inside a boat. Then when the boat moves forward, it stays in the boat. But if you are flying it off the top of the boat and then the boat moves forward.
I see what you're saying. How does that happen?
Yeah, how does that happen?
Krit, thanks for your question. When you have a drone and you're inside a boat, very often the drone would not get a GPS signal. So the drone would lift up and it would be stable in air, and while the boat is going, it would actually smash the drone against the wall. This thankfully doesn't happen because most of the modern drones have distance and vision sensors. So while the boat is coming, the drone would realize, oh, there's a wall coming towards me, and be flying with the ship. If you're outside, then of course the drones are all built to be stationary. And so the boat would be going, the drone would be stable, as you said, and when you tell it, come to me, it would come back.
The tricky part when you fly a drone from especially a small boat is that your boat is prone to drifting.
But modern drones, you can just tell them the home point is where my remote control is now. It was a pain back in the time. The first time we took it to Antarctica, we tried to map out a canyon, and as soon as we came down the canyon, the drone lost its GPS signal, went all the way and crashed into the wall of the canyon. So we know everything about losing GPS signals and losing our drones.
So I think your interest for drones is really exciting. Drones is a new technology that is thriving in science. So it gets us to places we were never able to reach before. Here we use it for penguins, but there are so many different applications. So keep your interest in. I think there is a lot of potential to it.